What if I told you that this May, a star could explode so violently that you'll see it with your naked eyes? Or that fragments of Halley's Comet will paint our skies with celestial fire? In a universe of infinite possibilities, May 2025 stands as a cosmic playground of extraordinary events. Whether you're a seasoned stargazer or just curious about the heavens above, this month promises spectacles that even our ancestors could only dream of witnessing. The cosmic fireworks begin with the Eta Aquariids meteor shower, peaking May 5th to 6th. These aren't just any meteors. They're actually fragments of the legendary Halley's Comet, screaming through our atmosphere at a blistering 40 miles per second. Southern Hemisphere viewers are in for a treat with up to 50 meteors per hour, while northern observers can still catch 10 to 20 of these celestial streakers. For prime viewing, set your alarm between 2 a.m. and dawn, especially after the moon sets, leaving the stage dark for nature's light show. Mark your calendars for May's lunar performances. On May 3rd, witness the delicate dance between a whisper-thin crescent moon, just 5% illuminated, as it slides past the rust-colored Mars, creating a stunning celestial pairing in the twilight sky. May the 12th brings us the full flower moon with an unusual twist. It's actually a micro-moon, appearing slightly smaller and more distant than usual. This subtle optical illusion happens because the moon will reach its furthest point from Earth in its elliptical orbit. The moon continues its cosmic social calendar throughout May. May 14th, a close encounter with Antares, the fiery heart of Scorpius. May 22nd, a rendezvous with both Saturn and Neptune. May 23rd, a brilliant alignment with dazzling Venus in the pre-dawn sky. Venus dominates as the morning star, all month, blazing in the eastern sky before sunrise. For evening viewers, catch Jupiter and Mars in the western sky after sunset. Though Jupiter sinks earlier each night as May progresses, Saturn begins May in proximity to Venus, but gradually climbs higher before sunrise as the month continues, offering increasingly better viewing opportunities for its magnificent rings. For constellation hunters, keep watch on Coronae Borealis, the Northern Crown, which might soon welcome a temporary new member from a rare cosmic explosion. May's cosmic drama isn't limited to natural phenomena. Humanity is reaching for the stars with unprecedented ambition. SpaceX kicks off the month with an impressive double-header on May 4th. 2 Falcon 9 rockets launching just hours apart from opposite coasts of America, each carrying dozens of Starlink satellites to expand global internet access to the most remote corners of our planet. On May 5th, China joins the action with their Long March 12 rocket deploying communication satellites, while India follows on May 17th with the RISAT-1B mission, a sophisticated radar imaging satellite capable of observing Earth 24/7, regardless of weather conditions. May 29th marks a watershed moment as Axiom Space launches its 4th private mission to the International Space Station. This multinational crew, featuring astronauts from India, Poland, Hungary, and veteran American astronaut Peggy Whitson, represents the continuing democratization of space access and the dawn of commercial space stations. Meanwhile, Australia prepares to make history with Gilmour Space's Eris-1, the first Australian-built rocket attempting to reach orbit. Success would transform Australia into a spacefaring nation and reshape the global aerospace landscape. The month concludes with 2 groundbreaking missions: Northrop Grumman's EWSD-1 weather satellite for military applications, and China's ambitious Tianwen-2 asteroid sample return mission that could revolutionize our understanding of near-Earth objects. Now for the month's potential showstopper, an event astronomers have anticipated for decades: the T Coronae Borealis nova. This binary star system 3,000 light-years away contains a white dwarf slowly stealing hydrogen from its red giant companion. After decades of accumulation, the white dwarf reaches critical mass, triggering a thermonuclear explosion that briefly makes this distant system visible to the naked eye. Last seen in 1946, this roughly 80-year cycle means the stellar eruption could happen any day now. When it does, look toward Coronae Borealis, the Northern Crown constellation, for a new star suddenly appearing as bright as Polaris, our North Star. But act quickly. This cosmic spectacle may last only days before fading from view. As May progresses, the magnificent arch of the Milky Way begins its dramatic ascent across our night sky, unveiling a treasure trove of cosmic wonders that remain hidden during other seasons. Mark May 27th on your calendar with a bold red circle. This new moon creates the astronomical equivalent of a blank canvas, offering exceptionally dark skies untainted by lunar light, the perfect condition for deep sky exploration. This month, the celestial stage belongs to spring's stellar performers. The majestic constellation Hercules climbs higher each night, carrying with it the breathtaking M13 Great Globular Cluster, a swarm of over 300,000 stars packed into a space just 145 light-years across. Through even modest binoculars, you'll spot it as a fuzzy patch, but a telescope transforms it into a glittering diamond dust explosion frozen in time. Nearby, the kite-shaped Bootes, the herdsman, rises proudly, guarding cosmic treasures like the mesmerizing double star Izar, a striking pair where a golden-orange giant orbits with an emerald-hued companion. Their contrasting colors make this one of the night sky's most stunning binary systems. For galaxy hunters, May delivers premium viewing of the Whirlpool Galaxy M51 in Canes Venatici. This face-on spiral galaxy, caught in a gravitational dance with its smaller companion, reveals its classic pinwheel structure through moderate telescopes, offering a glimpse of what our own Milky Way might look like from afar. Not to be outdone, the Leo triplet, a stunning galaxy trio consisting of M65, M66, and NGC 3628, presents itself in prime position early in the evening. These three spiral galaxies, located about 35 million light-years away, fit within a single field of view in low-power telescopes, creating one of astronomy's most impressive cosmic landscapes. For observers with larger aperture telescopes, the realm of nebulae beckons. The Owl Nebula, M97, in Ursa Major reveals its distinctive owl-like face, a planetary nebula formed from the expelled outer layers of a dying star. Meanwhile, the Cat's Eye Nebula, NGC 6543, in Draco showcases complex, colorful shells of gas, the cosmic aftermath of stellar evolution. Even without specialized equipment, May's clear spring nights offer exceptional naked-eye discoveries. The Great Diamond Asterism, formed by the bright stars Cor Caroli, Denebula, Arcturus, and Spica, dominates the eastern sky after sunset. Within this diamond lies the relatively barren region known as the Realm of the Galaxies, ironically home to the immense Virgo supercluster containing thousands of galaxies far beyond naked-eye visibility. As midnight approaches, the Summer Triangle, composed of the brilliant stars Vega, Deneb, and Altair, begins its annual rise in the east, heralding the approaching summer skies and bringing with it the dense star clouds of the Milky Way's richest regions. May 2025 isn't just for visual observers, it's a dream month for astrophotographers at every skill level. The celestial positioning creates perfect windows for capturing both dramatic wide-field vistas and challenging deep sky targets. Early in the month, the thin crescent moon near Mars offers a stunning composition opportunity. Position your camera to capture this celestial pairing above architectural elements or natural landscapes for breathtaking foreground context. The rusty glow of Mars contrasting with the blue-tinged Earth shine on the unlit portion of the moon creates a naturally beautiful color palette. For wide-field Milky Way photography, the last week of May provides the ultimate conditions: dark moonless skies combined with the rising galactic core. This cosmic backbone appears earlier each night, allowing for extended shooting sessions before dawn. Set up in areas with minimal light pollution, and you'll capture not just stars, but the intricate dust lanes and nebulosity that give our galaxy its distinctive character. Deep sky astrophotographers should target the Markarian's chain in Virgo, an arc of galaxies so numerous that even modest telescopes with tracking capabilities and DSLR cameras can frame several galaxies in a single exposure. For more advanced setups, the ethereal wisps of the Veil Nebula in Cygnus present an extraordinary challenge as this supernova remnant spreads across several degrees of sky. Whether you're shooting with a smartphone through a telescope adapter or using advanced astronomical cameras, remember these key tips for May observing. First, embrace the astronomical twilight, those precious 90 minutes after sunset when the sky darkens progressively. This window provides perfect conditions for planet spotting and bright star identification before full darkness sets in. Second, allow for proper dark adaptation. Your eyes need at least 20 minutes away from artificial light to fully dilate and become sensitive to faint celestial objects. Use red flashlights exclusively to preserve this night vision. Third, consider atmospheric conditions. May often delivers stable seeing, but check astronomical forecasts for transparency and steadiness ratings to plan your most challenging observations during optimal windows. Finally, don't forget to look up from your equipment occasionally. The majesty of the night sky speaks to something primal within us all, a connection to the universe that transcends technology and returns us to our ancestral roots as skygazers. For those new to astronomy, May offers an ideal entry point to the hobby. Start with easily identifiable objects like the bright star Arcturus. Simply follow the arc of the Big Dipper's handle until you arc to Arcturus. From there, continue the arc to Spica, another brilliant star. These celestial landmarks will help you navigate to more challenging targets as your skills develop. From meteor showers to nova explosions, rocket launches to planetary alignments, May 2025 reminds us that we live in a dynamic, ever-changing cosmos full of wonder and possibility. So grab your binoculars, mark your calendars, and join us under the stars. Because in a universe of infinite darkness, looking up is how we find our light.